The hidden code 1111, the mysterious number changing lives. Have you ever glanced at your clock and seen 1111? Again and again? Is it just a coincidence, or is it something more? This isn't just any number. It's a key code. A secret that's capturing the imagination of millions. It's not just a digit, it's a movement. A spiritual revolution. And today, we're uncovering its mystery. This secret didn't just appear out of nowhere. Its roots lie in both modern digital culture and ancient spiritual teachings. In the mid-2000s, a strange conversation began on online forums and astrology blogs. People were reporting that they kept seeing a specific number everywhere in their lives, 1111. It was on their mobile screens, license plates, receipt totals, anywhere. It was an experience many were sharing, but there was no clear reason why. Looking back, the number 11 has always been considered a master number. In numerology, 11 symbolizes light, insight, intuition, and spiritual awakening. It's a combination of two ones, which represent leadership, new beginnings, and individuality. Thus, 11 is a powerful energy that connects us to our inner strength. But 1111 goes even deeper. It's considered an alarm clock. A wake-up call. A sign from the universe that you are close to your purpose, your spiritual abilities are awakening, and you need to pay attention to your thoughts. So what is this number trying to tell you? It has several potential meanings, depending on your personal situation. It can be a sign of a new beginning. This number is here to tell you that one chapter of your life is ending and a new, brighter chapter is about to begin. You need to let go of old thoughts, old habits, and relationships that are holding you back. It means your thoughts are powerful. 1111 is a powerful reminder that your mind is a creative tool. Whatever you think can become your reality. When you see this number, keep your thoughts positive and hopeful. Focus on your desires, not your fears. It's believed your thought energy is magnified at this moment. It means you are not alone. This is a sign that your guardian angels, spirit guides, or the universe is with you. They are guiding you, encouraging you, and telling you that you are on the right path. It's a hello from them. It means to trust your inner voice. The number 11 is strongly linked to intuition. If you keep seeing 1111, the universe might be telling you that you already have all the answers within you. Your intuition is guiding you, you just need to trust it. It is a gateway to spiritual awakening. In many cultures, 1111 is seen as a portal, a doorway to connecting with your higher consciousness. It's an opportunity to rise above the material world and understand the true nature of your spirit. Just seeing the number isn't enough. To channel its energy into your life, you need to take action. First, make a wish. This is the most popular practice. Whenever you see 1111 on a clock, immediately make a wish. Make it a positive wish, not one intended to harm anyone, and state it in the present tense, like I am healthy and happy. The energy of this moment is believed to be very powerful for sending your wish out into the universe. Pause and express gratitude. Stop for a moment, take a deep breath, and quiet your mind. Give thanks for all the things you already have. The energy of gratitude raises your vibration. Check your thoughts. At that very moment, what were you thinking about? What was running through your mind? Were the thoughts positive or negative? This number is a tool to bring your attention to your mindset. Recite an affirmation. Repeat a positive affirmation that fits your current situation. For example, I am safe. I trust the guidance of the universe. Everything is working out for my highest good. I trust my intuition. Keep a journal. Maintain an 1111 journal. Every time you see the number, write down the time and your thoughts and feelings at that moment. Over time, you will see a pattern and understand what the universe is specifically trying to tell you. Of course, not everyone sees it as a spiritual sign. Some view it as mere coincidence, a psychological phenomenon, or a meaningless internet trend. They argue that people look at the clock many times a day and only remember the one time it shows 11:11, forgetting all the other times. This is a valid perspective. But in response, believers say the feeling, the intuition that it is special, is the real evidence. It is a personal, subjective experience that cannot be proven or disproven by scientific methods. It is based on faith and personal experience. Whether you see it as a deep spiritual secret or an interesting psychological phenomenon, the 11:11 movement points to one important thing. The modern human is searching for meaning, purpose, and connection in their life. It reminds us that there are no accidents in life, everything happens for a reason. It forces us to be more mindful, more grateful, and more aware of our thoughts. In the end, it's up to you how you view this secret. The next time you see 11:11 on your clock, don't ignore it. Pause for a moment. Look inside your heart. Make a wish. Say thank you. Perhaps, that will be the moment you decide to change your life. Because sometimes, the biggest secrets are hidden in the simplest signs. We just have to be ready to see them.